friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is refreshing summer drinks. So let's get started. First we are going to do is the apple milkshake. For that we'll need 2 numbers of apples without skin. To that we'll add 5 cashews, 5 almonds and 2 walnuts. Then we'll add 250 ml of chilled milk. We'll blend it first so that all the nuts are grinded really well. Then we'll add 2 numbers of ice cubes. To that we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we'll pour 250 ml of chilled and we'll blend it again. Before blending, just give it a mix. Our apple milkshake is now ready. It's a serving size for 2 persons. The next one is king banana milkshake. For that we'll slice the king banana. To this we'll add 5 cashews, 5 almonds and 2 walnuts. Then we'll add 250 ml of chilled milk. We'll blend this as I said before. First we'll grind it so all the nuts are grinded really well. Then to that we'll add 2 numbers of ice cubes, 3 tablespoons of boost or you can use Bournvita. Then we'll add 250 ml of chilled milk. The apple milkshake and king banana milkshake are both very healthy and super stomach filling. You can drink this and avoid one meal course. That much healthy it is and very filling. Next is our mojito. For that we'll add 3 mint leaves. Then we'll add 1 slit chili. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next is the rose syrup. That is about 50 ml. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of basil seeds. You can even use chia seeds for this. To this we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, no worries, you can use black salt or you can use the normal salt. Then we'll add 2 numbers of ice cubes. Then last we'll add the soda or you can use chilled water also. Now mix it all together really well. Now cool down your summer season with these refreshing summer drinks. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.